Hi there, everybody. My name is Marybeth and today I would like to bring you to my CashAlive39 System website. This past week, I've been getting lots and lots of inquiries, people asking questions exactly what is the CashAlive39 system, what do you get with it, what is all included, and what do you have to do to make money. So I've decided to come in here today, do a short, simple video to address these questions that I continue to be receiving, okay? So what is CashAlive39? What is the system? Let's start off with that because that seems to be the most common reoccurring question. What it is, it's a simple informational product, okay, that gives you step-by-step instructions to use along with the resources to use. The resources are safe lists and solo ads. It's created and set up on an educational platform complete with full instructions, step-by-step instructions, including email ad copy that you are going to be able to use and submit to the safe lists and the solo ad buyers when you get started for only $39 one time, complete with resale rates so that you can resell the system and the informational product and start generating these instant $39 payments over and over again, okay? You'll have a complete guide, which essentially is a blueprint with step-by-step instructions, exactly what to do, how to do it. Okay? And it's really, really easy. It's user-friendly, it's newbie-friendly, as long as you can follow simple instructions and utilize these instructions and the ad copy and use them for your safe lists and your solo ads. Okay? Now we have different resources, free and low cost paid, okay? When you join with me, folks, I have special extra bonuses. I'm going to share with you the exact resources that I'm using. These are very, very low cost and affordable. I have about 3 of them that I've been using on a regular, consistent basis. And you're also going to use my email ad copy that I've been using and testing with excellent results. I've been getting great conversions and multiple daily signups through this email ad copy. Okay, so you're going to basically have everything in hand that I'm using to generate a daily income and receive these $39 payments multiple times a day. There's many mornings that I wake up to multiple $39 payments. They continue to come in throughout the day and evening, and it's really a wonderful thing because I know there's a lot of people right now that are looking for something simple. They're looking for something that they can do from the comfort of their home, and they're looking because they need to generate extra income. This is the ideal solution set up through a simple educational platform, okay? All ready to go. Okay, so again, you're going to be getting all of the resources, safe lists, solo ad traffic resources so that you can start to generate income by sending emails from home. Okay, ad copy will be completely provided. So all of the guesswork is taken out of the equation, folks. You don't have to guess where to advertise, what to use in your ads, folks, how to write ads. It's all completely done for you. All right. And this right here, you want to spend some time and read these 4 key points. What you get for your one-time $39 payment. My top secret safe list and solo ad buyer traffic resources, my email ad copy that makes me $39 over and over again, my foolproof, fail-proof CashAlive39 Fast Start instructions, and complete full resale rates to the CashAlive39 system, okay? Now, what you want to do is I highly recommend that once you pay $39, that you also get this little website because this is going to really fast, this is going to put you on the fast track to success. Okay, this is the actual website that is really producing great results right now. Okay, great conversions, great results. This is the site right here. It's just really sleek. It's really simple. It's really professional, and it's just designed with people wanting and needing to make income from home, designed to get the best conversions, okay? The best responses and the best conversions, and it's working amazingly, amazingly well. So what you need to do, this is the instruction, so you just want to read this, okay? You want to just spend a little bit of time and read this, and I promise you, if you read over the information, you're going to get a full understanding and you're going to grasp exactly what is included, okay? This is nothing difficult here, folks. This is not rocket science, nothing on a technical level, okay? Anybody can do this. Very, very user-friendly. And you only need two things to get started. Choose how you want to receive your instant payments. And you can get paid using any payment method that you want. Now you're going to choose only one payment method, okay? So you can choose, depending, where you live, this is global, okay? Because I'm using authorized.net, which is my merchant account. This allows me to accept worldwide payments, okay? But you can accept your payments through authorized.net if you have a merchant account with Authorized. You can do Venmo, you can do Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Stripe, any of those payment processors, just to name the primary ones. So you submit one payment method and you have to submit your payment information through that payment method. Like, for example, if you're using Cash App, it would be your Cash App ID. If you're using Zelle, it would be your email address. Same with PayPal, your PayPal email address. Venmo, I also believe, is your email address. Authorized.net, you would create a code for a button to include a buy now button. So you would create a simple code through simple tools in your back office of authorized.net. And what that does is it generates a buy now button. Okay. And step one, you get started, you pay your one-time $39. This is my button here, folks. You can use a debit or credit card to do so. And then I highly, highly recommend, for the best results, that you get yourself this customized website so you can start receiving instant automated payments. That's how I have payments coming in 24/7, because I'm advertising using this website, and everything's explained here. It's a very affordable price point. Doesn't have people, sitting on the fence too long, wondering if they should do this. Super, super affordable and an easy way to convert leads into signups, paid signups, okay? So step two, you never have to send any manual invoices, no follow-up hassles, no phone calls. You don't have to speak to anybody. Get paid instantly, 100% automated payment collection. You keep 100%, $39 over and over again. It's very set it and forget it, okay? So I recommend getting this website. It's only a one-time $29.97, okay? You want to follow these exact instructions on what to send. Here's the email address to use to send it, okay? In a subject line, you just have to follow instructions, folks. It's very, very simple, but just have the willingness to follow simple instructions. Subject line, you put custom website payment. In the body of the email, it tells you exactly what to include. So basically, you're following step two to order the website. So it's two simple steps, folks. Join for $39 right here, okay? Let me just come down here one more time, okay? Right here, you pay your $39, and then you come down here and you follow step two to get the website, and that is it. Once I receive payment notification, I'm going to be sending you an email out with all of the instructions to follow to get started, including my special bonuses, my email ad swipe copy, my special traffic resources. So you're going to have everything that I am utilizing to collect these wonderful $39 payments. So in closing, I'm going to bring you inside of my Gmail email account real quick and just show you a little bit of proof of what these notifications look like that I continue to receive, folks, daily, multiple times a day through my merchant account. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go right up here to my Gmail email account, and we're going to type in. So we're going to go right over here. Okay, we're going to do a little search on merchant email receipt. Okay, and these will pull up right here, folks. And as you can see, August 12th, here's one, here's one, here's another one right here. Here's one, here's one, here's one. See, they continue on downward, okay? Here, 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 and it just continues to go down, folks. And you can be experiencing this. This can become your new reality, waking up to these payments, receiving these wonderful notifications, at random times during the day. You can be out shopping, you can be out driving, you can be out enjoying life, spending time with your family, going out to your favorite restaurant, wherever you might be, wherever life takes you, folks, and get these wonderful notifications to your payment processor. So with that in mind, folks, below in the description, you'll find my contact information if you need it, and you'll find a link to my website. And I encourage you to click on that link, go there, and you're going to be redirected to that sales page. All the information that I just discussed with you and presented in this video is right there for you to take your time, start at the top, work your way down, and read it through carefully. But it's really, really super simple and super easy. A simple, basic informational product with simple instructions for you to follow, giving you the resources, safe lists, and solo ads. Those are the places you're going to advertise and use the ad copy, which is email copy, to send and submit to either the solo ads or the safe lists or both, okay? And these are highly targeted lists. These are people just like you who want to work from home, need to work from home, and earn extra income in the process, okay? So, folks, this is the system. It's really simple, and I just encourage you to look at the website, get started today, folks, because this is our busy season. This is a really easy, simple, super affordable little program that is working well. This website's converting well, and it's something that can help you to generate daily income. All you have to do is commit and be consistent and have the willingness to follow instructions, folks, and you can do this. Okay, so thank you so much. Everything's below in the description. Connect with me and let's get you started today. Thank you so much. And hopefully you'll be waking up very, very soon to these wonderful payments, just like me and many, many of my team members and many members of the CashAlive39 System community. Okay, thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.